Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video we're talking about how to set up Netgear Wi-Fi Extender without WPS. So if your router or extender doesn't support WPS, follow these steps to set up your Netgear Wi-Fi Extender manually. Firstly, plug in the extender. After that, connect it to the network. So open the Wi-Fi settings on your smartphone, tablet or computer. Find the extender's default network name, SSID, also known as, which is usually something like Netgear_ext. Connect to this network. After that, access the web interface, open a browser on your device and type mywifi.ext.net. After that, enter the page. If it doesn't load, try the default address, which is 192.164.1.250. A Netgear setup page should appear. Create an account or log in. If prompted, create an account with your extender. If you've already set up the extender before, enter your login details. Configure the extender, choose the Wi-Fi network you want to extend, enter the password for it, set a new network name, and after that finalize the setup, click finish or apply to save the settings. The extender will reboot and connect to your main router. After that, test the connection by moving the extender to a location midway between your router and the area with poor signal. Ensure the link LED on the extender is green or amber, indicating a good connection. Lastly, some troubleshooting tips for you. If you can't access the setup page, reset the extender by holding the reset button for 10 or 15 seconds. And ensure you are within the range of your router during the setup. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, leave them below in the comments. Also, don't forget to support us by liking the video and subscribing. See you next time.